We're at 309 Gamarra. This is in Pensacola, just off of 12th Avenue and 34th Street. So we are right next to O.J. Simmons Elementary School. We've just entered into the front living room. So we have this partition wall, which has bookcases on the other side. And then we have a coat closet right behind our main entry door. So we have this large, big picture window that looks out into the front yard. And then there you can see our bookcase. You can see down our hallway as well. We're going to continue on towards the back of the home first. So we're going through into the formal dining area. We have a secondary entrance from the carport through this room as well. To our left, we have our kitchen. We have new laminate flooring in the kitchen and in the bathrooms, and then carpeting throughout the rest of the home. So here is that kitchen space. We've got some bar top seating for extra seating space as well. Continuing on through through the dining, we have another living room. So we have a wood burning fireplace here. Fireplace is not usable, but it is a nice focal point, perfect for Christmases and stockings. We also have a sliding glass door to our backyard, which we will go out to. We'll go out now. So the backyard is fully enclosed, and then we have this patio space here as well. And the yard does wrap around all three sides. Tenant is responsible for lawn care. There will be a service done before a move-in. Heading back inside now. Now we'll take you down to the bedrooms and the bathrooms. So we're walking back through the dining area. You can see our front door right in front of us. Then we'll take a right-hand turn down the short hallway. Our first stop on our right will be bathroom number 1. So we have a walk-in shower in here. Old antique style pedestal vanity. Antique chandeliers as well. And then here's bedroom number 1. So this is on the front side of the home. Has a nice big picture window looking into the front yard. Heading back out. Continuing on down the hallway. Next will be bedroom number 2. This is another guest bedroom. So this is on the front corner. We have a good sized closet in here and lots of good lighting from the windows. Continuing on. Next, we're going to pass the linen closet and we'll come to our master suite. Master suite has 2 closets and an attached bathroom. So we've got lots of good lighting in here. There's plenty of windows. And this is on the back side of the home. We'll go into the master suite now. So we've got a tub shower combo, nice vanity. Heading back out now. Again, this is 309 Gamarra, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.